If Opera keeps asking you to save passwords every time you sign in, you can turn that pop-up off in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stop the save password pop-up in Opera so you can browse without that constant interruption. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, click on the Opera icon in the top left corner of your browser. This opens the main menu where you can access all of Opera's settings and controls. From there, go to Settings. If you're using the keyboard, you can also usually get there through the browser menu, but today we'll do it the simple way. Once the settings page opens, look for the Autofill and Passwords section. This is where Opera keeps all of the options related to form filling, password saving, and sign-in behavior. Click on Autofill and Passwords, then choose Password Manager. This will take you to the page where Opera manages saved login details and password prompts. Now at the very top of the page, you'll see the first toggle labeled Offer to Save Passwords. This is the setting that controls whether Opera asks you every time you enter a new password. To stop the pop-up, simply click the toggle switch and turn it off. Once it's disabled, Opera will stop offering to save passwords whenever you log into a website. That means no more repeated save password notifications and a much smoother browsing experience. If you ever want the pop-up back again in the future, you can always return to this same setting and turn it back on. So to quickly recap, click the Opera icon, go to Settings, open Autofill and Passwords, select Password Manager, and switch off Offer to Save Passwords. That's all there is to it. You've now turned off the Save Password pop-up in Opera. If this video saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.